Say sir.
好開心，一定翻到嚟嘅。
Oh, where are you from, sir?
From Hong Kong，
Okay,
Yeah.
so 冇問題。
冇問題。
10歲啊。
啊，感謝主，今日天氣好好。
Okay, how about you, madam?
Me too.
Yeah, anything to say?
We thank God. Today is a good day.
Mhm.
We enjoy the river a lot.
Okay.
Thank you.
How many times you do this rafting?
I think this is maybe the second time.
This is your second time.
Yeah.
Uh,
But like this is the
First
first
time in
time.
Malaysia.
first time in Malaysia.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is the first time.
So what is your hope for this trip
Oh.
today? You
hope
hope
we'll
back alive or
bigger wave.
back a bigger wave? Yeah. Okay, we are looking for that.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the rough run.
All right. How about you, friend? Ah.
Hi. We're
What?
good. We're excited for this trip,
Mhm.
and we hope to get back safely
Is
with
this,
no injuries.
okay, this is your first experience or
This is my second
second time as well? Yeah. Okay. How about you,
Is it
friend?
frustrating?
Any last words?
Lord, please be with us.
Okay, this is your first experience. So
Yes, first time.
first time and last time. Just kidding, friend. Yeah.
good.
Hopefully, you enjoy this trip, friend. Huh?
Yes, we have fun.
Yeah. How about you, friend?
Hello. Hello, Philippines. We're in Malaysia.
Yeah.
You came from Philippines?
Yeah, from Philippines. So, friend can swim very well,
Sure.
A little.
but
I can float.
Have good floating.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
So, cheers, guys. Everybody, up you pedals on the air.